Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Linux Mint OS on VMware Workstation 25H2 step by step. This method is simple and works perfectly even if you're a beginner. Let's get started. First, we need to download Linux Mint. Open your browser and go to the official Linux Mint website. Click on the Download section and choose the edition you prefer. Cinnamon is the most popular and recommended for most users. Now select a mirror and download the ISO file. Once the download is complete, we are ready to move to VMware. Open VMware Workstation and click on Create a new virtual machine. Choose Typical, Recommended, and click Next. Select Installer Disk Image File, ISO, and browse to the Linux Mint ISO file you downloaded earlier. Click Next. For the operating system, select Linux, and choose Ubuntu 64-bit or any other latest Linux 64-bit as the version. Click Next, then give your virtual machine a name like Linux Mint and choose the location where you want to save it. Now assign disk size. 20 GB or more is recommended. Choose Store Virtual Disk as a single file, then click Next. Click Customize Hardware. Here you can increase RAM to at least 2 GB or 4 GB for better performance, and assign more CPU cores if available. Once done, click Close and then click Finish. Now power on the virtual machine. You will see the Linux Mint boot menu. Select Start Linux Mint. After it loads, double-click on Install Linux Mint on the desktop. Choose your language and click Continue. Select your keyboard layout and click Continue. Select Install Multimedia Codecs for better media support, then press Continue. On the Installation Type screen, choose Erase Disk and install Linux Mint. Don't worry, this only affects the virtual machine. Click Install Now and confirm. Select your time zone and click Continue. Now create your username and password, then click Continue. The installation will begin and may take a few minutes. Once it's done, click Restart Now. During the restart, if you see the message "Please remove the installation medium," then press Enter. Don't worry. Go to the top menu, click on VM, then Removable Devices, select CD, DVD, and open Settings. Now uncheck Connect at Power On, click OK, and then restart again. After reboot, you'll see the Linux Mint desktop running smoothly inside VMware Workstation. And that's it. You have successfully installed Linux Mint on VMware. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.